you, count the stars, multiply by 10. First I do more than now and then. I could paint a rainbow, shine the sky, set the stars in space. Faster than explain how much I miss your face. Watch the moon someday soon. He will start to smile when I say I'll see you in a while. But till then I'll miss you, dry my tears, hide my fears away until